Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, dual-zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.